In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how I grow my YouTube channel and how you too can also grow your YouTube channel in just less than 30 days. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create your thumbnail. Now, thumbnail is something that I always believe that is the only reason why you are getting views. A lot of people on YouTube always teach you guys different things that you need to do in order for you to get views on your YouTube channel. But the truth of the matter is that the only thing that can bring view to your channel is your thumbnail. And you need to put more effort on your thumbnail in order for you to actually get more views on YouTube. So the reason why you are not getting the desired view that you need on your YouTube channel, whether you are a new YouTuber, okay, or maybe as people call it, a small YouTuber, okay, they're just starting for the first time and you're not getting the desired view that you want, all that is stopping you from getting that amount of view is just your thumbnail. Then another thing that can also improve your views on YouTube is if you have enough subscribers, because the moment you upload your videos and you have enough audience that are already waiting for your videos to actually watch those videos and give algorithm of YouTube the reason, okay, to see your content as relevant content and then begin to promote your videos out there, is actually subscribers. Okay, a lot of people always use this term that subscribers has no significant impact on your YouTube views, but I must tell you that subscribers will count, okay, because when your subscribers initially, for the very first moment you upload your video and they watch your video, only that impression alone will tell YouTube that, okay, this video is relevant, and they need to begin to promote those videos to other audience. Okay, so spreading your video across the YouTube will now begin to bring more views. And then what makes people to actually decide to watch your video is basically your thumbnail. And that is why you have to put a lot of effort on your thumbnail in order for you to go ahead and get more views. So in this video, I'm going to show you just small tips how you can actually work on your thumbnail and be able to go ahead and use ChatGPT to determine which of the thumbnail that will give you more views by the time you finally upload it. So in this video, we're going to be creating two thumbnails, and then after creating the two thumbnails, we're going to go ahead and use ChatGPT to actually determine which of these two thumbnails that is going to bring more views to your channel. If you're ready, let's get started. So guys, to get started, let us first of all analyze this particular channel. And as you can see right here, this particular channel has uploaded just 124 videos, and over time he has earned 222,000 subscribers. So let me come right over here on the channel itself. Clicking on the video section, I will click on popular so that I can actually see most popular videos on this channel. So you can see 9 months ago, this particular channel has earned over 1.9 million views. And right over here, you can see the next one has earned 1.1 million views, 759,000 views, 500,000 views, and so on. Why is this channel getting more views like this? Guys, it's just thumbnail. In fact, I chatted with YouTube customer care, and what they told me is that they don't even care about what you put in your videos, how you make your videos. Whatever picture you have in your video, YouTube has no idea of what you have in your videos in order to promote your channel or your video. The only thing that can make YouTube to actually promote your video is one thing, just only the engagement and the thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail is what YouTube use to determine what kind of audience that you need that will watch your video, as well as the title. So you're going to be considering title, consider the thumbnail. If you consider these two things and you beat the algorithm with the title and the thumbnail, then congratulations, because you're going to be getting more views. So right over here, you can see the thumbnail is what keeps this particular channel growing very fast every single day. Let's look at the recent video this particular person uploaded. So if I click on latest, and you can see just 9 hours ago, this channel has gained 8,000 views. This is the same thumbnail. You can see it's maintaining the same format of thumbnail every single time. Okay guys, so to get started, the first thing you're going to do is you must have created two thumbnails. Make sure you have created two different thumbnails, and these thumbnails are in variation. So once you are done doing that, you're going to come to ChatGPT And once you come to ChatGPT, the first thing you're going to do is to click on this icon here. When you click on this icon, go ahead and upload your thumbnail. Uploading this thumbnail right over here. Let's say I have these two thumbnails. For example, I have this particular thumbnail here. I'll go ahead and click on it. That is thumbnail 1. Then I'm going to also click on the button again and go ahead and browse one of the picture I have here, which is thumbnail 2. Okay. So these two thumbnails, I want to compare. Before I will upload these two thumbnails to my YouTube video, I have to make sure that I compare these two using ChatGPT, so that, because if you use A/B test on YouTube or vidIQ, it's going to take some time before you can get result. But with ChatGPT, you can actually get result instantly. So right over here, you're going to go ahead and enter this prompt. Okay, can you compare the above two thumbnails? Okay, and choose the most higher click-through rates. Once you type this prompt after uploading the two thumbnails, you're going to go ahead and hit on the enter key. And once you hit on the enter key, guys, so just wait. ChatGPT is going to determine among the two thumbnails which one is the best. So let's read together. Okay, you can see, to determine which thumbnail, okay, might have higher click-through rate, we should analyze several factors. Okay, visual appeal, clarity, and effectiveness of the call to action. So thumbnail 1, you can see, is analyzing the thumbnail 1 using this file name. Okay, now you're looking at it right over here. I'm not going to go ahead and read all these things, but as you can see, I'm going to just go ahead and read just this first paragraph. The image of the huge figure, okay, a skewed face, is eye-catchy and conveys a sense of intrigue or mystery. The green and black color, okay, scheme is striking and can attract attention, right? But let's see the final result. Which of the thumbnail is the best? So guys, looking at the comparison, you can see ChatGPT has given us results right over here. So let's look at it together. You can see visual appeal. Both thumbnails are visually appealing, okay? But the first thumbnail's use of huge figure with a skewed might be more eye-catchy and intriguing. Okay, look at the second option here. Text clarity and content. Both thumbnails have clear and bold text. The first thumbnail has additional information, no VPN, which might be more compelling for some viewers. Okay, then effectiveness of CTA. Now I can see call to action. The second thumbnail, use of paper notification, might appear more legit, okay, and achievable to viewers, enhancing trust. So now only this line of paragraph has given me reason to choose the second thumbnail right over here over the first thumbnail. So this is the second thumbnail. Then if I come back here, this is the first thumbnail. So out of these two thumbnails, ChatGPT is making this one more better than the first thumbnail. So if I want to upload to my video right now, I'm going to go ahead and upload this particular thumbnail, and I'm going to get massive results. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and also share it with your friends on social media platform. Of course, subscribe to this channel, because this is what we're going to be doing on this channel, showing you guys tips and tricks that you can use to actually grow your YouTube channel faster. Within 30 days, you are rest assured that you can actually monetize your channel. This particular channel will focus more on teaching things that will actually help starters, beginners, those that want to grow on YouTube to get started from somewhere. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.